I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you are trying to connect a new device to your M&T Bank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the M&T Bank app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Security section of your account. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile. Step 3. Add a new device. Look for an option to manage devices or add a new device. Follow the prompts to register your new device. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Check your messages for this code. Step 5. Confirm device connection. After entering the verification code, confirm that the new device is connected. You should see a confirmation message on the screen. If you encounter any issues, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and that you are not using a VPN, as this can sometimes cause problems. I hope this helps you connect your new device with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.